Humanahan ko sa emulsion ba humot. Hantid ka rin na, po ng kabang. Abot lang po. Hmm? Thank you, Mama. Tara ka sila. Tidak yun, ituhugaw kayo. Human. Dara, oh. Itagaan ko itong suglay ko. Ano ka ng human, babe? Oo. Husay mo ko. Makuan kita nyo. Kapungkul. Oh. Ma? Unsa? Oh. Luta man iyang ganahan. Kini mo pangilok ba? Ganahan ka, ani. Mo gina nakawala sa iyong kuan. Karon. Muna nakatabang sagingan siya. Baho man kayang ilok. Ay, dili ba? Ini lang sa... Baho imo ang baba? Ganahan ka na nga pantalon niya. Real class bin. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, miss.
Yeah, sorry, I'm late.
Oh, it's okay. That's okay. I totally understand it. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, that's good. All right. So we are now really in our, this is really our trial class. All right. Okay. Good morning, miss. So,
Yeah,
okay. Okay. So this is, okay. So I'm going to introduce first myself. So my name is Jennifer. All right. So my name is Jennifer. Okay. Or you can call me Teacher Jenny. You can call me Teacher Jen. All right.
okay.
Okay. So I am again from the beautiful island, the Philippines. Okay. And I am 32 years old, turning 33. I have a one son. All right. So I am teaching English, adults and kids, Vietnamese, Japanese, and Canadian. So all around. Okay, okay, miss. For almost 2 years now. So Yes. So I really love to help kids, especially adults, in their speaking skills, especially English. So I will gonna give my best for you to develop and enhance your communication skill, especially in English. So you can ask everything to teacher, and you can also request what topic do you like. All right, mom. All right, miss. So it's okay. So there's no worries with that. So glad to meet you, and I hope that sooner you will gonna enroll in my class. All right. So how about you, miss? What is your name and where are you from?
Yes, hello, my name is Anh Trâm Anh. You can call
Mm-hmm.
me Anh. I'm 29 years old.
Mm-hmm.
I'm come from Vietnam.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, nice to meet you.
All right. So which city are you in Vietnam, Miss Anne?
I live in Hanoi.
Wow, Hanoi.
Yes.
All right. So I have also lots of students there in Hanoi. So it's the
Uh,
capital. It's the
yes,
capital city of Vietnam. All right.
right.
So Miss Anne, basically you live and raised or yeah, born and raised in Vietnam, right? Your mommy and dad is Vietnamese.
Yeah, right.
Okay. All right. And then you study in Vietnam also, or did you study abroad?
No, I have never
Ah,
studied.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but have you visited other country, Miss Anne?
Yeah,
Oh, really? Wow.
just Indonesia and
In the
Cambodia. Yeah.
Ooh, that's great.
Have you ever been Vietnam?
No, miss. But you know what? I really wanted to visit Vietnam because I have a friend, all right. So she already visited Vietnam. Okay. I think last month or maybe last month. And she mentioned that, oh, Jennifer, you should visit Vietnam. The price is not expensive. The people are very good, all right.
Oh,
Food are very delicious. It is a very nice country. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. So that is really my plan, miss. One of my plan, hoping. All right. That right. So hopefully, miss, when I have lots of money. All
Yeah.
right. So I was gonna save first and then yeah. So okay. So how was your okay? So do you work, miss? What is your work or do you study?
Yes. This week I started to work at a new company.
Wow.
Yeah. And that company almost people can speak English. So
Ah.
I I have to learn English to talk with them and talk
Mm,
with boss.
okay. But as I observe, your English is good, Miss Anne. All right. But yeah, you can understand, right? That is really important. As long as you both understand what you are saying, all right? Comprehension, all right? Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Um,
Comprehension.
Sự hiểu biết,
all right.
Thank you.
Comprehension. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So comprehension is very good, miss, especially
When you read, okay.
when you read.
Yeah,
All right. That is really important. Comprehension. Meaning you understand what you are reading. You understand what you are or what is the people talking.
yeah,
All right. So that is really important. important. So by the way, Miss, what is your work all about, if you don't mind? You work in a company of
Yeah, yes, that company, uh, that company is about IT.
IT. Wow.
Yeah. So I am a interpreter
Oh,
to Vietnamese co-worker to Korean boss. So I
or
translate Vietnamese to Korean. Yeah.
so you also speak
Yeah, I
Korean?
speak Korean. Yeah.
Ah. What is that Korea? Saranghae? All right.
안녕.
Annyeong. Annyeonghaseyo. Wow. Okay, that's great. Okay, so you are the interpreter. But basically, Miss, your boss are Koreans or Vietnamese.
My boss is Korean, and
Mm.
he live in 뭐지? He live in Seoul.
Where is that, Miss?
He, yeah, he live in Seoul. So my
Seoul.
boss
Seoul.
Seoul, yeah, Seoul.
The
My
capital
boss
city
is
of Korea.
yeah, right.
Ah.
Yeah,
Okay. So you
yeah.
just
You do.
okay, you're just working from home. You're not you or
No, no, no.
do you
I
have
work for.
office?
Yes, we have office. So
Ah,
I
okay.
go to office and work at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Ah, okay. Now I know. So,
And our employee is Vietnamese.
all employees are Vietnamese.
Yes.
Do you have Filipino employees, miss, or not? You don't
No, no,
have.
no.
Ah, no
Yeah.
Filipino. Oh, I see. But okay, but how do you like talk to your boss? Just in same like this laptop.
Yeah, right, right. Uh,
Ah, all right. But have you been in Korea, miss?
no, I have never been Korean.
But
Yeah.
you like to visit in Korea.
Yeah, if I have the chance, I will go.
Oh, yes, that is also my dream. Korea, Vietnam, and Japan. All right.
Uh, me too. But I have one more dream that
Oh,
go to the what is that? Uh,
China.
no, 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 not China. American,
Ah,
France, France,
Italy. You wanted to Paris. You want to visit.
Paris. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
France.
oh. All right. But it's a little bit expensive, right, miss? The ticket it's so pricey. All
It's
right. But
expensive
who
and
yes, but who
yeah.
knows? Ah, okay. Because miss, I also have a student. She is from Ho Chi Minh, and same with you. Yeah, same with you. She is 29 or 30 years old. All right. So, yeah, she also wanted to learn English because um her bosses really talk in English. Then yeah, so she really wanted to have a progress in her English journey. And same like you, miss, um, she's working also in a big company there in Vietnam. So that's good to hear. So how long are you been with your company, miss?
This company I just start in this week.
Oh,
So
this
I work from
really?
Monday. Yeah.
Congrats. Wow. Okay, but before, what is your job or what is your work before this one? Before an interpreter?
Yeah. Last year I worked for a energy company.
Like in
Yeah.
electricity, something like that?
Something like electric electric energy.
Buy oil.
Yeah, buy oil
Oh, it's
energy.
still in Hanoi,
So
miss.
yeah, it's in Hanoi and they have a factory in
Of
Quảng Ngãi.
Still in Vietnam.
Yeah, Vietnam.
Mm-hmm. Oh, all right. But
Yeah, so
okay. So if you don't
I
mind me asking, why is that? Did you resign in that company, miss?
uh, pardon, can you
Oh,
come again?
sorry. Did you resign? Okay, this one.
Resign?
Từ chức.
Yeah, yes. I resigned.
Oh,
I resigned last year.
okay.
So and I I decide to uh I decide to do freelance.
Freelance.
Yeah, freelance.
Ah,
But it is so hard to find a job. It's too hard to
exactly.
find a job. So I find a job in translator to the chef uh 뭐지? Bakery, bakery, bakery,
Bakery.
bakery,
But bakery, this one. Sorry.
bread.
Bakery.
Yeah, right, bakery.
Mm.
I translator belong bakery chef Korean chef
Chef.
to
Chef.
to Vietnamese worker. Yeah, right, chef.
Mm. That's great. So, okay. So okay, I have a question, Miss Anne. How do you know to speak Korean language?
Ah,
How did you
I
know? Because
yeah,
it's a little bit difficult to speak Korean, right, Miss?
well,
Did you
yes,
study?
yeah, I studied
Ah,
before when I studied university at university. My major is marketing. So then I when I when I studied at a university, I also learn Korean at
ah,
the center
at the same time.
language language
Ah,
center
oh, language center.
language center. Yes.
Okay. So there is a language center of Korean language in Vietnam or in Hanoi.
In
Oh,
Ho Chi Minh.
Ho Chi Minh.
Yes. Before I lived in Ho Chi Minh. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So, okay. So if your family is living, your mom and dad is in Ho Chi Minh
No. My family is in Hà Tĩnh,
province.
Hà Tĩnh province.
Ah,
They about do you know Đà Nẵng?
Da Nang. Yeah, Da Nang.
Yes. And that is Đà Nẵng and Hà Nội.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
they
yeah. It's in the
Hà Tĩnh
middle.
is between the middle.
Ah, oh, okay. But you are living alone now, miss.
Now I living alone. Before I living with my sister when I
Mm.
live in Ho Chi Minh City.
So how many are you in the family? You and your sister only? You are two siblings?
There are four siblings
Four. Oh, you
in
have four
my family.
siblings.
Yes. My brother, my sister, me, and my youngest sister.
You are four. Okay. So all
Yeah.
of you finished already college, miss?
Okay, can you say again?
Sorry. All of you, the four of you finished studying?
No. My
Ah,
my younger sister is 23.
okay. So
So
she's
yes.
still studying. All
Yeah.
right. So that's good to hear. Okay, so you are living independently now. Okay, you know what, miss? I also experience looking for a job as a freelance, and it's, yeah, as you said, it's a very, very hard. All right. So um I've I, I've tried online jobs. Have you tried that one, miss? Online jobs. And also, Upwork. Have you tried to work in Upwork?
Upwork?
Yes,
No.
this one,
Oh,
miss. Upwork. You can also,
work.
it is a site, miss, where you can find work.
Oh, thank you.
Yes,
Ah,
Upwork.
Upwork. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Thank
You
you.
can, yes. You just have to create your logins or sign up. You should gonna sign up. And this is also online jobs.
Online
This one
job.
also, miss. This is good.
Oh,
Mm-hmm. Um, Career jobs. But Upwork is very famous, miss.
Upwork is okay.
Yes, this is very, uh, especially when you are really a freelancer, you want, like you, miss, there is really a lot of hiring here, especially that you know how to speak Vietnamese and Korea and also English. That is very, very great. Okay. So there's a lot of opportunity in this platform. So you should, or you can try this one if you have time. But
Okay.
but I think that's not need because you already have a job.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. All right. So congrats. Okay. So yes. So yes, miss. So in this class, miss, you will gonna you can suggest or you can ask a request like, oh, Jennifer, I want to have a lesson that is all about conversation or about grammar. So you can, okay. So but Mr. Wong sent me this one, the topic. Okay. So let's have discussion about this one, miss. So what can you see in the picture, Miss Anne? Can you describe?
I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. I just know
Okay.
about the sky is beautiful.
All right. Very good. So as
Yeah.
we can see, okay, so when someone is saying that, okay, can you describe the picture? So anything, all right. So anything you see in the picture, miss, that's how you will gonna, like for example, oh, I see a pyramid. All right. So basically, okay, I'm going to. Okay, by the way, Miss Anne, I have a question. Your English is good. How do you know English also? How do you know to speak English? Did you study also English?
Oh, I just study English at in a class school.
Wow, in your college way back?
Yeah, in the my primary school.
Oh,
At
wow.
primary school start about 10 years old.
Ah, all right. That's
But
good.
exactly almost I don't know. So
Mm-hmm.
learn when I study university, I learn a little bit at university.
Ah,
Yeah,
I see. All right. Yeah, I can say that, yeah, your English is good, but not that great, right? So that is why we are here to practice and practice speaking so that in the future or sooner, if you will gonna enroll in my class, we
yeah,
will gonna enhance it so that you have a smooth conversation. All right. So you will gonna create from a word to a big sentences. All right, Miss. Okay. So again, Miss Anne. So when people ask you or when someone asks you, okay, what can you see or can you describe what is in the picture? So in the picture, you can see, yes, you are correct. You say the sky is very beautiful because yes, the sky is very beautiful. All right. And we can also see, you could also mention, Miss Anne, there is three pyramid, right? Because this is the pyramid, pyramid, and
pyramid.
pyramid. Yes. And pyramid. Okay. We also see a desert. Desert. All right. So all right. So this is an example of a desert, right, Miss? A desert. All right. Do you know desert, Miss Anne?
No, I don't know that. Desert.
Okay.
Desert. It,
No. Sorry.
sa mạc,
All right.
okay. Yeah, yeah.
sa mạc,
It's a place, Miss, that we, all right. It's a kind of place that we really cannot see water, houses. All right. So it's a
Yeah.
very, mm-hmm, desert. It's a place, okay. It's so hot here. Mm-hmm. All right. So this is a desert, Miss. Okay. Have you been here, Miss Anne?
No, I have never been
All
there.
right. So there's really no there's a tree, but just minimal. All right. So basically, it's very hot here. Okay. So in
Yeah.
this lesson, or this is the picture, Miss, describing. All right. Let's read. Pyr-
Icha.
Okay. The pyramids. Yes, we can read this one, Miss Anne. Pyramids or pyramids and pyramids is correct.
Oh,
Of okay, this one. Giza.
Giza.
Okay. The
Wonder.
okay, the wonders of Egypt.
Is it?
Yes. All right. Again, mommy, pyramids. Sorry, Miss Anne. Pyramids of Giza, the wonders of Egypt. So this place here, Miss Anne, this is the country
Yeah.
Egypt.
It is.
Yes. Do you know the country Egypt, Miss Anne?
No, I don't know.
All right. So it is it is far, okay? It is I think it's not in Asia, all right? So it's far from Vietnam and Philippines. And basically the place there is very most of the place there is really surrounded by desert. Okay, this one. And many people don't like to visit here because it's so
So hot.
all right. Yes, miss. It's very hot. All right. So this is Egypt. Mhm.
In Vietnam, we say it is Ai Cập.
What is that, miss?
In Vietnam, we say it is Ai Cập.
What is that all about, Miss Anne?
Ai Cập is what about the Egypt? Egypt. Egypt is Ai Cập in Vietnam.
Okay. So in Egypt, Miss Anne, there is a very beautiful architecture. All
Yeah.
right. Like, do you know Cleopatra? Are you familiar with Cleopatra? He is the queen, miss. One of the queen in Egypt. So Cleopatra. All right. So yeah, so this is Egypt, and there's a lot of camel. All right. Animal camel in Egypt. This one.
Oh, yes.
Camel. All right. So yes, Miss Anne, we will gonna wrap up because it's already our time. So we only
Yeah.
have 30 minutes for our trial class. So it's really been a great I'm
Yeah,
so
thank
happy
you.
to meet you, Miss Anne. And
Yeah,
yeah,
thank you.
I hope that you will gonna enroll in my class. And again, I am here to help you to assist you in everything that I can in your English journey. So thank you so much for your time, Miss Anne, and
Yes.
take care always. Bye bye, Miss. Come
Okay, thank
on.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye
Yes.
bye.
Thank you.